What if your business kept making money while you sleep, pray, or spend time with family? Sell one $50 digital guide to 200 people monthly. That's $10,000 on Autopilot. Model 1. Digital products. Create an ebook, course, or template once. Sell it thousands of times automatically. But there's a business model where you build once and earn repeatedly. It's called leverage. Most people trade their time for money. When they stop working, the income stops too. Model 2. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you trust. Earn commission every time someone buys through your link. Your content works 24/7. One blog post or video can generate income for years. And license your content. Create once, photos, videos, designs. Companies pay you every time they use it. Upload to stock platforms. Businesses worldwide buy your work. You earn while they sleep, completely passive. The secret? Quality plus consistency. Build systems that serve people genuinely. Trust creates recurring income. Remember, earn through honest value. Help others solve real problems. Ethical work brings lasting blessings and success. Start today. Choose your skill. Create one valuable asset. Set up automated delivery. Then scale systematically. $10,000 monthly isn't luck. It's strategy. Which model will you build? Comment below and start your journey.